Welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today we are talking about how to enable dark mode on Instagram. Why would you want to know how to enable dark mode on Instagram? Well, maybe it is your first time using Instagram and not sure how to enable dark mode on Instagram. So today I am going to show you how to enable dark mode on Instagram. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. Enabling dark mode on Instagram is quite simple and easy to do, and the process is same for Android and iOS devices. Let me show how you will enable dark mode on Instagram. First of all, open Instagram app in your device and then first click on your profile icon in the right bottom corner. And now in this screen click on three lines and then select settings and privacy. Now search dark mode from search bar and then click on it. And now in this new screen click on and your dark mode has been enabled on Instagram. So there you go. If you were wondering how to enable dark mode on Instagram, that is the easiest way I know. If you know another way, please leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos.